Grapeseed oil going in. Want to coat the bottom of my pan. Let's give this another quick stir while it's in these seasonings. I got in here garlic powder, onion powder, some dried oregano, a little bit of lemon juice. Also got some Chinese 5-spice, salt and pepper, smoked paprika, and cayenne pepper, and a couple of red chili flakes. And I'm gonna finish it off with a little bit more lemon, a couple of kisses of sesame oil, and a little bit of soy sauce. And you know what? I'm about to twist up this fried rice. I'm gonna go in with some more of this grapeseed oil. Pan nice and hot. I always beat my eggs right before I add them. Right before. Right back into the bowl. With the spring onion. And the reason why I said I'm twisting this up is because I'm putting bell pepper in here too. I'm using red onion and bell pepper. Get that moving. Let's hit it with some black pepper and salt. Going in with just a little pineapple. I got my fire on. I'm about to turn it up some more. Put it on high. I'm not necessarily per se going to get much color on these. I just want to soften them up a bit, but I still want some texture. I want to bring the sweetness of that pineapple out, because this is pineapple fried rice. I'm only putting 3 eggs in this whole recipe, which is perfect. I got a whole head of garlic. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's about 12 cloves of garlic right here. Some might say it's a lot of garlic, but it's not. I didn't think about what I was gonna make. I was just gonna make regular pineapple rice, but last minute, I made a last minute judgment call. Do pineapple fried rice. So I didn't have time to do my day old rice, so I made the rice real quick. And I laid it out on the sheet tray, and I threw it in the freezer so it can cool off. So I made some cheat. I cheated. It's sticky. I'm going in with some soy sauce. Going in with a little oyster sauce. Let's give it a taste. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Remember when I said I'm doing a little twist? I'm about to hit it with some lemon. I'm sorry, some lime. The rest of the pineapple, And right, spring onion, and there you have it. And that's it. Got my pineapple fried rice. When I watch me taste it, I'm busting up all kinds of forks. Yeah. Oh my God. Get a piece of chicken. Chicken. Ho 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 ho. Ho ho. Well, I'm about to eat good. I'm about to eat good. That spice. I'm about to eat good. You better ask somebody. You better ask somebody. Listen, for everybody that was in my live today, appreciate you for sliding through. Gallery hidden, gold hidden, double tapping, engaging in the comments, all that, hanging out with your boy, vibing to the good music, to the good eats. Like I said, stay tuned. I got something special coming up for my subscribers. Subscriber only starting real soon. So get help. Oh, by the way, thank you.